Okay, this is my side control, okay? I have this arm here, you gotta frame it onto his neck. Just go on his shoulder and put my forearm under his face. Okay? Now I'm gonna move down. All the time I move down like my hips, I try to bump because when I bump it creates a little bit space between us. You know, I'm gonna bump and move my hips away and drop my elbow down and pass my elbow under his belly and go with my arm all the way to this side, okay? I'm here, I do this, and my arm go here, under his armpit. Alright? Right now, I gotta just move, okay? I'm gonna like go for now if I'm here, okay, I'm gonna lock his arm, alright? And now I'm gonna use my biceps again. I gotta push his body to over my face. Okay, after I do this, okay, now I drive my arm all the way to over to his head. I'm gonna make like some grip here, probably in his jaw, okay? And I bring his arm with me. I just slide here, and turn. And now I get in top. And just go for his back, or I can try to finish his shoulder. Okay, one more time. Okay, I'm here, okay, he locked me. My arm coming under his neck. Okay, we need to create some space. I will bump, push, drop my arms down, and take my arm all the way to under his armpit on the other side. Okay, I lock his arm here. I will bump again, bring his over to my head. My hand try to hold his head here. Okay, and I start to turn. Escape underneath. I can try to submit him here, or just let it go and take it back.
Would you get points for if you got a back in here?
If I take the back, I get a point. Yes. But I don't have any points for escape. Okay, just if I take it back with my focus.
Yeah.
Okay.